Welcome back to Kama Gear's food channel. The purpose of this channel is we want you to get the best out of your equipment. So we're going to talk you through the basics of setups and first use, and then we'll leave it up to you to make your creations on your Kama Gear equipment. Today I'm going to talk you through the Kamado and how to use it, set it up, and then we're going to make some quick pizzas. So equipment for the Kamado, you're going to need the wedge, the two deflectors that come with the grill already, and then the pizza stone which comes with the wedge or the Kamado. That then sits in, and then you get a nice flush seal, so when you're putting pizzas in, nothing gets caught or trapped. When the grill's lit and the charcoal's taken nicely, this literally just goes over and slots in. You can see here that the heat comes up through here and then hits the dome and cooks down. So by having the 30 centimetre but split into two different zones, you get that air gap between the pizza stone and deflectors, so the pizza stone doesn't get too hot essentially. So once that is nicely in the middle, you can just close that, and then with pizzas you want to have your vents both fully open to the bottom and fully open at the top, and literally get it as hot as you can. And in the meantime, let me just show you, I made some pizza dough last night, some semolina flour so the pizza doesn't stick. We've got some a la pizza blend cheese, some pizza sauce and some basil, and then one of our acacia peels to put the pizza on and take it off, and that's it really. Really simple, just make some pizzas. So we're up to 300 degrees, just approximately. Don't really want it any hotter than that because the heat's coming from the bottom and not the top like a traditional pizza oven, and what you'll get is if it gets too hot, you'll get a burnt base and then literally a raw top. So you want to keep it around 300 so you get it's more of a stone baked pizza. So I use a little bit of semolina, stops anything sticking. And then once the ball's out, you kind of want to put a little bit here to work with. Really working that dough. Now if you need the recipe to this dough, look, I've just used the recipe on an app called the Pizza app. So if you just go onto your iPhone and type in Pizza app, the recipe's on there. I've just used the standard bread flour, any bread flour will work. So as you keep working it, you kind of want to look for a thick crust and then work it out. And then I usually then take it up and then using my hands to slowly stretch it. We're just looking for a 12-inch pizza, which is the same as the pill. As you can see, it's thick around here, so you want to work around here to stretch that out. When we're in HQ, we cook in all conditions. Heat waves, downpours, snow, wind, doesn't really matter. Yeah, so once you've stretched the dough to the size you want, now it doesn't need to be perfectly. You just want to put a bit on the pill so it doesn't stick when you come off. And then all we're going to do is put a load of pizza sauce on there. Totally up to you how much you want, but I like my pizza quite saucy. And then just spread that out nice and even. And then if you want some basil on yours, we're just going to do a simple cheese and tomato. That's a bit of cheese on there as well. And then just give it one final stretch just to feel the board a little bit better. And then all it's going to go, you want to put it in here and then slide it in. Nice stone baked pizza. Literally, it's that simple, guys. Pizzas on the Kama Gear ceramic grill are literally super easy. Just make sure the temperature's correct, you're using pretty good ingredients. Hope this video was helpful for you, and if you've got any further questions, just reach out to us on our contact page. Have a great day, guys.